Have you ever wondered what makes up a computer system? Why do we need both hardware and software? And how do they work together to make computers useful in our daily lives? In this video, we'll break down the basic components of a computer, explore the differences between hardware and software, and explain the four main functions: input, processing, storage, and output. Let's get started. What is a computer system? A computer system is more than just a machine. It's a combination of hardware and software working together to perform tasks. To understand it clearly, imagine a person. Hardware is the body, the physical parts. Software is the brain, the instructions or thoughts. One can't work properly without the other. What is hardware? Hardware refers to all the physical components of a computer, the parts you can touch and see. Examples include keyboard, monitor, CPU, mouse, hard drive. These are the tools the computer uses to receive input, process data, store it, and give output. What is software? Software is a set of digital instructions that tells the hardware what to do. You can't see or touch software, but without it, the hardware can't do anything useful. Software includes operating systems like Windows, or Mac OS applications like Microsoft Word, or web browsers, games, educational tools, and more so. While hardware is the what, software is the how. Key functions of a computer system. A computer performs for main operations. Let's break them down using simple terms. One, input. Input is the data or commands given to the computer. This is done through input devices like keyboard, for typing, mouse, for clicking and pointing, microphone, for capturing sound scanner, for scanning images or text. Without input, the computer has nothing to work with. Two, processing. After receiving input, the computer needs to process it. This is the job of the central processing unit, or CPU, also known as the brain of the computer. The CPU performs calculations, follows instructions, and controls other components. Sometimes a GPU is also used for handling visuals, games, and graphics. 3. Storage. Storage refers to where the computer keeps data, either temporarily or permanently. RAM stores data temporarily while the computer is running. Hard drives or solid-state drives store data permanently. External storage includes USB drives, memory card, and cloud storage. Storage allows us to save documents, pictures, programs, and more, even when the power is off or output. After processing, the computer needs to deliver results. This is the output. Output devices include monitors, show visuals, speakers, produce sound printers, create physical copies of documents, projectors display images on larger surfaces. Output makes the computer's work visible or audible to the user. Quick example, real-life use. Let's take an example to understand how all these components work together. Imagine you're typing a school report. You use a keyboard to input words. The CPU processes what you type. The data is saved in the hard drive. You print the document using a printer. Each step involves hardware, but it's the software, like the word processor, that gives instructions to make everything happen. Hardware versus software. What's the difference? Feature, hardware, software. Hardware, physical parts of a computer. Can you touch it? Yes. Example, monitor, CPU, mouse, keyboard. Lifespan can wear out. Great. Needed for running tasks physically. Software, programs, or instructions that run the computer. Can you touch? Nope. Example, Windows, OS, Chrome, MS Word. Can be updated or replaced. Needed for giving instructions and managing tasks. In short, hardware is the tool. Software is the plan. Both must work together for a computer to function properly. Why this matters in IC, understanding hardware and software is the foundation of information and communication technology. Before you can build websites, code apps, or manage network, you need to know how the computer works. at its core. You don't need to be an engineer to understand this. Just the basics will help you become a more effective and confident tech user. Summary. Let's review what we learned today. A computer system is made of hardware and software. Hardware includes all the physical parts. Input, processing, storage, and output. Software includes operating systems and applications that give instructions. The 4 key functions of any computer system are input, processing, storage, output. Hardware is the body. Software is the mind. Together, they form a complete system. Thanks for watching this introduction to basic computer component, hardware versus software. In the next video, we'll take a closer look at data and information, how they read different, and why they matter. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss an ICT. This is your ICT teacher, helping you learn one bite at a time.